The moment I started using two types of concealer is when I really leveled up my makeup. So let me show you what I do with two types of concealer. The lighter shade and one is a darker shade. I always go with the darker shade first. The darker shade is to actually get rid of any hyperpigmentation or things I want to hide from my face. Because I don't know if you ever noticed, whenever you're using a lighter concealer, it kind of makes that area lighter, but it doesn't hide anything. If anything, it just looks more gray and highlighted. So you can see here, I have like a dark spot. These are the places that I will go with the darker shade. And also under eye, I'm going with the darker shade. Here, darker shade and darker shade. You're gonna dab, and like you're gonna push it into your skin. You're not gonna like drag it. Dab that in. So you're gonna push all the dark spots in. Already with that, you see a huge difference because it's no longer like coming through the lighter shade of concealer. The more of like an orange darker shade helps to hide the dark spots. So next thing with lighter concealer, what you're gonna do is to highlight the region that you wanna bring forward or brighten up. With this, it's no longer about hiding dark spots or pigmentation. So I just wanna bring my under eyes on my nose, a little bit on my forehead, a little bit on my chin here to create that like fake volume. And then you're gonna bring it forward. You're gonna be really careful under the eyes and not put too much product because that's when it's gonna look super cakey and just looks messy. So try this and let me know what you guys think.